So this is just a quick video explaining how I scrub in a new tyre. Hopefully it'll help people who've never done it before and give them an idea of what it is they should be thinking about when they're actually scrubbing the tyre in. So when we're talking about scrubbing the tyre in, we want to what we're talking about is getting rid of this shine, okay, off the new tyre. We just want to get rid of that so it's roughed up, and this then gives us our correct road grip, especially when obviously the tyre gets up to the proper temperature. So I've just strung together a few clips of the first ride that I went out on this tyre, just to show you my progress and how I actually scrubbed the tyre in over a period of time. Okay, so going out now to scrub this tyre in. See, brand new. Hopefully by the end of this run it should be ready for me to go out and ride normally the next time. Now, according to the website, it says you should take 100 to 200 kilometers to run the tyre in, so scrub the tyre in. Basically what we're going to be doing, or all I'm going to be doing, is I'm going to be riding pretty much at the speed limits. I'm going to make sure I don't do any, I'll keep the speeds down so that I'm not getting to any extreme lean angles. I'll stop about every 30 miles or so and we'll just have a look and see how the tyre's doing, okay? And effectively, as we go on, we start to lean a little bit more lean angle, a little bit faster into corners, and so on and so on. But just gradually over time, and then the further we go, the more we can lean, the more speed we can apply, until in the end, hopefully the whole thing's scrubbed in. Right, so I'll have a quick look at it while we're here. So you can already see we've scrubbed off a little bit of it. That here on this side and here on this side. Obviously I favour right hand turns. That'll be roundabouts and stuff. Okay, let's have a look. So we're over to about here now, everything's looking good there, and we're over to about here now. So we're getting close to the point now where I can start getting a little bit of lean angle in some of the bends now. We can increase the speed a bit, and if you remember all those little dimples I was talking about, you can see that they're all sort of disappeared from this part, but we've still got them obviously towards the edge. But we can start picking up the speed now and a little bit more lean angle, not too much, and obviously careful with the throttle, especially when we are starting to lean over a bit more. So we can have a look now and we can see, yeah, so we've got about, well, what, ½ inch on the left and a little bit more on the right. But that's pretty much scrubbed in now, so we can just ride as normal. Done about, what have we done so far? Just under 100 miles, and I've still got the trip back, so that'll be well over 100 miles. And they recommend 100 to 200 kilometers. Well, 100 kilometers is 60 miles, so 200 is 120 miles. So we've effectively, by the time we finish this run, we've done their recommended dosage of miles. So here's the bike up on the paddock stand, back in the garage now. If we have a look, you can see it's all nicely scrubbed in everywhere. We've still got a little bit left to go over on the sides, but that's pretty much it. We've done the recommended mileage. We took it easy to start with, picked up the speed, put a little bit more and more lean angle as we went along, and now pretty much I can put my leathers on now and go out for a proper ride and not have to worry about it too much. And effectively, that's how you scrub a new tyre in. Okay, that's all for now. If you liked the video, then leave a like. If you didn't like the video, then leave a dislike. Either way, leave a comment, suggestion, or any questions you may have in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my future content. Once again, thanks for watching.